On my back, you can see the whole old bazaar here, and the minaret is on the top over there of the mosque. If you see in the front of me, this is the Kroya Old Bazaar. This is a very traditional old bazaar. You can see the minaret of mosque. Now we are going to explore the old bazaar. There's so many tourists already here, and there's so many beautiful, interested items, souvenirs, household items are available here. You can buy, you can get some shawls, some clothes, some jewelry as a gift, some fridge magnets, also some Albanian mat carpet available here, some old stuff. And there's another alley or street. It's taking us to the old bazaar and towards Kruja Palace or Kruja Fort. Some Albanian traditional dresses are also available here.
This is named Chiftelia, and this is do it from the middle and in the North Albania, used with mulberry wood and everything with two strings. This is named Chiftelia. Enjoy your trip, and thank you for you coming here, and welcome. Faleminderit.
The few people are, oh wow, this is very beautiful. Is a traditional Albanian dress. Oh wow, beautiful. We're still going on the streets, and you can see the Krujë Fort or Krujë Castle on the top of the hill. And we're gonna go and visit over there. And please wear comfortable shoes, trainers. We just reached to the Krujë Castle. You can see behind me, this is the Krujë Castle. It is 800 meters above sea level. Krujë city or Krujë Castle is famous for Skanderbeg, one of the Albanian national hero, or they also called him Dragon of Albania. He resisted against Ottoman Empire for 25 years. After 25 years, when he died, the Ottoman Empire invaded to Albania. So let's go and explore the Krujë Castle. And there is one museum. You have to pay for the museum to go inside. There is another museum on the top of the castle over there. So you can visit over there as well, but you have to pay for it. This is a very historic place and looks so beautiful. On the background is a mountain that looks really very nice. And castle itself is amazing. It's really very amazing. And some ruined parts of the castle you can see here. Krujë Castle is full of history and a battle. I already explained some of the history about Krujë Castle. Krujë was a center of the resistance against Ottoman Empire to defend Krujë and Albania against Ottoman, and they've been successful for 25 years. So I was telling some history. So after the Skanderbeg died, after 25 years of his resistance, the Krujë city fall, and Ottoman Empire in 15th century, they came and they ruled this country for 500 years. For 500 years, they ruled. After 500 years, Albania got independent. So I was telling you there is two museums. One is called Skanderbeg Museum and one is called Ethnographic Museum. So both museums you need to get a ticket, and let's see. I'm gonna find out with the local which museum is good. If I get chance, so I will go and visit over there. You can see a beautiful view behind me of Krujë Castle. It's a must-visit tourist place. You have to come and visit at least a day trip. This is amazing, beautiful view. This is back side of the Krujë Palace or Krujë Fort. This is where we come from, the old bazaar. We come all the way From there to the top, there is so many restaurants over there. And if you get hungry, you can buy some food, some snack over here to have some place like this for the kids, because sometimes kids get tired, hungry, and they start crying. So I think it's a good idea to have a play area for kids here. Now I'm going to backside of this Krujë Palace. It's saying that history never die, and it's really true that history never die. This fort is example of the history, is still standing and telling you all the history about resistance of 25 years against Ottoman Empire by Skanderbeg. In every corner, this place and this Krujë Palace is amazing. There is another view of Krujë Palace behind the mountain, and love nice sky with the clouds. It looks so beautiful. You can see the lot of people come and take their photo and video in front of this castle. This is the castle in main entrance, and I'm gonna go and see how it looks like from inside. Once we enter, in front of us, you can see there is a big statue of Skanderbeg and his companion. We have got 2 tickets to enter Krujë Castle and explore how it look like from inside. So we're gonna go inside and explore Krujë Castle. I've got some information leaflet, so you can see there is some numbers showing on it and the details in English as well, and information how to explore this Krujë Castle. Let's go explore Krujë Castle. So number 1 is antique. So I think where to find the number, but it looks like this is antique place. And some flags. Now I'm in a room, and there is some furniture here and a book to leave your comment and thoughts in the guest book. So I'm gonna leave some comments and thoughts in this book. So hopefully the people, when they see it, they're gonna like it. I just write down my comment on a guest book. This is the place I came in, right over there on my right side, and this is leading to the old bazaar. Oh, it's magical view from here. I'm glad I came inside the Krujë Palace. Look this view. You definitely visit over there. And just over there, there is a bride and groom. They're having a photo session. By the tree, bride and groom over there, I think they just got married and they are having a photo session over there. So if you want to get married in Krujë or Albania, you can come here for your photo session. Because it's a beautiful place, you can have a very nice photograph, and it will always remind you your visit. So beautiful view over there. Over there, this is the main entrance of the Krujë Palace. You can see the Albanian flag, and behind it there is a mountains, the series of mountains going far, far away. As far as I can see mountains, trees, and this is the top area of Krujë Palace. People having a photo session over here. So overall, my visit to Krujë Palace, it was amazing. So I learned so much history and about Skanderbeg and his resistance, his component, and everything was amazing. So once again, I'm going to recommend when you come to the Krujë city to visit, you should visit Krujë Palace as well. So you will learn a lot of things about resistance of Skanderbeg against Ottoman Empire for 25 years.